Hello everyone. So welcome you all in today's session. So we are continuing same chapter permutations and combinations, and today we will cover all the questions related to exercise 6.2. So be ready with your pen and notebook. So we are starting question number 1, right? So here we have to find the value of 8 factorial. Right? So we had already discussed if we talk about n factorial. So n factorial is equal to what? N into n minus 1 into n minus 2 and so on up to 1. Right? Suppose n is any natural number. So n factorial means product of first n natural numbers. Right? So 8 factorial will be what? It will be, yes, it will be the product of first 8 natural numbers. So 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Right? So just find the product of natural numbers 1 to 8, and I'm writing the direct answer. So answer will be what? 40,320. 40,320. Right? So now coming to next question, 4 factorial. Yes, guys, 4 factorial will be what? 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. And what about 3 factorial? It will be 3 into 2 into 1. So what will be 4 into 3 into 2 into 1? It will be 24. And 3 to the 6. So 24 minus 6, it will be 18. Right? Okay, we had already discussed one important step. Whenever we have n factorial, so we can write it as n into n minus 1 factorial. Right? So here we can solve this question in another way. 4 factorial can be written as 4 into 3 factorial. Right? So now 3 factorial is common. So here we are left with 4 minus 1. And 3 factorial is what? 3 into 2 into 1, and 4 minus 3 is 3. So in this way, you will get the same answer, right? So the best part in mathematics is we can solve a single question by multiple ways, right? So try to solve a single question by multiple ways. So let us move to next question. So here we have to check whether 3 factorial plus 4 factorial is equal to 7 factorial or not. So let us take LHS. LHS is what? 3 factorial plus 4 factorial. We have already calculated 3 factorial plus 4 factorial, but again we will calculate. So it is what? 3 into 2 into 1 plus 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So it is what? 6 plus 24. So this will be equal to 30. Right? So now coming to right hand side. Right hand side is what? 7 factorial. And 7 factorial will be what? It will be, yes, product of first 7 natural numbers. Right? So if you multiply first 7 natural numbers, you will get what? Yes, it will be 5040. You can check the calculation. I'm directly writing 5040. So you can see LHS is what? LHS is 30, but RHS is 5040. So LHS is not equal to RHS. So it means this 3 factorial plus 4 factorial is not equal to 7 factorial, right? So in this way, you can solve question number 2. So now let us move to next question. So here we are having 8 factorial divided by 6 factorial into 2 factorial. So we had already discussed n factorial. So this can be written as n minus 1 into n minus 2 factorial as per our own convenience. Otherwise, this is what? Product of first n natural numbers. So you can see 8 factorial will be what? 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 and so on up to 1, right? But you can see in the denominator, it is 6 factorial. So what we can do, we will open this numerator till 6 factorial, right? So here 6 factorial is there and 2 factorial is 2 into 1. So now 6 factorial will cancel out. So you are left with what? 8 into 7 divided by 2. And this is what? 28, right? So question number 3 answer is 28. I hope everybody is clear, right? So here you have to be very careful. You can save time. Otherwise, if a student will solve this question in this way, 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 and up to 1. So then there will be one number. So then 6 factorial, another number into 2 factorial. After solving this question, by that time consuming process, you will get the same answer, 28. So let us move to next question. So here, if 1 upon 6 factorial plus 1 upon 7 factorial is equal to x upon 8 factorial. So we have to find x. So now look at this one, 6 factorial, 7 factorial and 8 factorial. So 6 factorial is the smallest number. 7 factorial can be written as 7 into 6 factorial and 8 factorial can be written as 8 into 7 into 6 factorial. So let us write this one, 1 upon 6 factorial as it is plus 1 upon 7 into 6 factorial, and this will be what? X upon 8 into 7 into 6 factorial, right? So now if we take 1 upon 6 factorial common, so we will be left with what? 1 plus 1 upon 7. And here, yes, x upon 6 factorial. So I'm just writing as it is. Now multiplying both side by 6 factorial. So this 6 factorial will be cancelled out. And here we are left with what? Taking LCM. So 1 into 7. So 7 plus 1, 8. So 8 upon 7 is equal to x upon 8 into 7. 7, 7 cancel out. If you multiply both side by 7, so the value of x, so that will be 64, right? I hope everybody is clear. So this is very easy question. So again, you have to be very, very careful. So we have not opened 6 factorial because after opening 7 factorial, you will get 7 into 6 factorial, right? 8 factorial is there. So 8 into 7 into 6 factorial. So now moving to question number 5. So here we have to find n factorial divided by n minus r whole factorial when n is equal to 6 and r is equal to 2. So what we will do, we have to evaluate this one. N and r are given. So yes, guys, this is what? 6 factorial divided by 6 minus 2. N is 6 and r is 2. So this one. So yes, this will be 6 factorial divided by 4 factorial. And what will be the value of this one? 6 into 5 into 4 factorial. And this will be 4 factorial will be cancelled out. We are left with only 30. So 30 will be the answer, right? So question number 5, first part is 30. So now moving to second part, here n is 9. So it will be 9 factorial divided by, yes, 9 minus 5 factorial. So this will be what? 9 factorial divided by 9 minus 5, 4 factorial. So what we will do, we will open this till 4 factorial. So 9 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial. divided by 4 factorial. So 4 factorial cancel out. You're left with 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5. So after multiplying this, you will get answer as 15,120, right? So in this way, you can solve question number 5. I hope everybody is clear about this question. So mainly we are like solving a factorial, right? So this exercise is again very easy, just like 6.1. And thank you guys. This is all about exercise 6.2. If you like this lesson, so please share this with your friends. And in case of any doubt, you can write your doubt in comment section. And for more interesting videos, you can subscribe our channel Arena World Education, and you can also write your message on our WhatsApp number, and also you can use this email ID, right? So thank you guys. Bye bye. Take care.